Hi everybody, good afternoon. It's Show and Tell with Miss Pam, and today we are going to be making a snowstorm in a jar. And you should have gotten all the materials to do this and the directions as well. So we're going to try it out together, and you can follow along if you would like to, or you can watch and then do your own. But please share with me how it goes for you and your student. I would love to have a picture. You can do a video and send it to me. You have my email address, you have my cell phone number, so you can text me some pictures. And just let me know how it goes with you and your child. And I hope that you guys have a lot of fun. Now, I want you to know I have not already done this. I am doing this the very first time on film. So let's go. So I'm going to fill up my jar. It says a quarter of the way. So we're going to add some water. That's about it, probably. And then it says a teaspoon of paint. Now, I was digging all through my house trying to find some paint because I wasn't at school. So I had to find some paint. And I found a little tiny bit, so I'm going to try and use what I've got. It says to stir it up. That's loud. And that it should look like milk. And I'm thinking it's pretty thin, but it kind of looks like milk. So this is what mine looks like right now. By the way, these little jars are yogurt jars, and I've got a bunch of them. So that is what I'm going to be giving to all of you as well. So the next thing is the baby oil. Whoops. And it says to fill it up the rest of the way. I don't know if I'm going to do it quite the rest of the way. And then it said to wait just a little bit. Wait for it to separate. As you know, oil and water does not mix. So we're going to give it a couple of seconds here to let it separate. And it looks like it's separating beautifully. So we're on the right path. The next thing says to add some glitter. And you can add glitter if you would like to. You don't have to. It says you don't have to, but I have glitter, so I'm going to put some in. This is really fine glitter. Let's just give it a few more shakes. And there we go. So if I move it, I want to be very careful because I don't want it to do any mixing at all. I don't know if you can really see it very well, but. So the glitter is getting suspended in that baby oil. Now the next thing it says to add some blue food coloring. And again, I think it's by choice, but I'm going to put a couple of drops in there. So if you have blue food coloring at home, you may add that if you would like to. Okay, now I'm supposed to wait again, I believe. I'm trying to go by memory and how the directions follow. So I can't wait to see what's going to happen. It's a snowstorm in a jar. Let's see. Okay, so now my food coloring is just sitting down there at the bottom, it looks like. And now this is when the real action happens. So this is Alka-Seltzer, and I broke up one tablet, and now I'm going to start to add it, and we'll see how it goes. So our snowstorm in a jar, here we go. I hope this works. It's working! It's working! I'm going to add another one. I'm going to bring it closer so you guys can see. this is my snowstorm in a jar. And I'm going to add a couple more. Let's see if we can get this really rolling. Here it comes. Now I had one more broke up purely by mistake, so I'm going to add one more. And let's see what happens. So I think that I put too much food coloring in. So if I did this again, I would put less food coloring in and a little bit more white paint. But there's my snowstorm in a jar. So let me know how yours goes, and I can't wait to see it. Bye, everybody.